Hello YouTube, I'm MCGo101 and in today's video I'm going to do a 10-month review on this Airlift 1000 HD air suspension system. So yeah, long story short, I did install this last year. As you can see, it is loaded up right now. I purchased a system for loads exactly like this. My current load is about 600 kilograms. So yeah, I opted to go with the 1000 HD because the capacity is double what the standard are. And the airbags do inflate to 50 psi as opposed to 25 with the normal. So with this 600 kilogram load, I only inflated the bags to about 18 psi and it is barely squatting. Now I've made the trip about 3 hours without the airbags, and the truck does sag quite a bit, so that's why I opted to go with the airbag HD system. Pretty easy to install. I'll show you what they look like real quick. Crawl underneath. It's just bundled up in the coil there, but that is the black airbag HD system. So yeah, I've been very happy with it. They work fine all winter. My only thing that I did is I made sure to keep some air pressure in at all times. And I did route my air line right here so I can fill up from there or check my pressure. But yeah, so definitely happy with the system. I definitely recommend it. If anybody is looking to increase payload capacity, this is a great way to do it. But yeah, so I just thought I'd make a quick video and show you guys what I did, how it works, what it is, and how to take care of it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.